Hello friends, welcome to Big Foodies. Today we are making India's very own famous burger, authentic Mumbai style vada pav. It is a popular street food from India. It originated in the streets of Mumbai as a fast food that was cheap and affordable even by a common man. To make vada pav, batata vada is sandwiched in Indian bun which is known as pav. These are accompanied by some fried green chilies and some chutney on the side. It is not only eaten for brunch or snack but also for breakfast. Before checking the recipe, please subscribe to Big Foodies by pressing the subscribe button to get more delicious recipes and never miss a video from Big Foodies, and hit the bell icon to get notifications about new recipes. Let's check the ingredients now to make super delicious authentic Mumbai style vada pav for your family and friends. For making the vada for vada pav, we have taken 6 medium-sized potatoes and we have boiled and peeled them. Now we need to mash them. Now use the potato masher to mash the potatoes. We don't need to make the smooth paste of the potatoes. We just need to mash them roughly. You can also use your hands if you are comfortable with your hands. So we have mashed the potatoes. Now let's fry the potatoes. To fry the potato masala for vada pav, we need to prepare a chutney. For preparing the chutney, we have taken some garlic cloves, about 8 to 10 garlic cloves, and we are putting some chunks of ginger, about 1 inch of ginger we are putting. Add the green chilies as per your taste. So this is a little bit spicy masala, that's why we are adding so many green chilies. So if you are using the blender, just make sure that you make it into a coarse paste. We don't want to make it into a smooth chutney. So the coarsely ground paste of ginger, garlic and green chilies is ready. So let's fry the masala for vada pav. For frying the masala for vada, we have taken about 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil in the pan, and we have put it on a medium flame. Now add a pinch of asafoetida. So the masala for vada is generally fried in a big size mustard seed. You can also use the small size mustard seeds, but the big size mustard seeds gives better taste. So I am adding about 2 to 3 teaspoons of big size mustard seeds. Allow the mustard seeds to splutter. Add curry leaves. Now add the coarsely ground ginger, garlic and green chilies. So the authentic vada pav recipe requires lots of garlic and green chilies. You can use as per your taste. You need to roast this nicely so that the flavors of the garlic and green chili and ginger are nicely roasted into the oil. Now ginger, garlic and green chilies are nicely roasted. So we have roasted them for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi. Don't burn the haldi, just roast it for 2 seconds. Now add the potatoes. Add salt as per your taste. Mix it nicely. So the potato masala has been mixed nicely with the ginger, garlic and green chilies. Now add lots of finely chopped cilantro or coriander leaves. So you need to be generous while adding it. It will give a nice flavor and taste. Mix it nicely. So now the potato masala for vada is ready. Now turn off the flame and allow this masala to cool down. Then we will start preparing the vada. So by the time this cools down, let's prepare the batter for vada. For making the batter for vada, we have taken 2 cups of gram flour or besan in the bowl. So we are using a little bit thick variety of gram flour. You can see that. Don't use too much fine variety of gram flour. Thick variety of gram flour gives a better taste for vadas. We are also adding 1/3 cup of rice flour into this. Add the salt as per your taste. Add 1/3 teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi to give nice color to the vadas. Add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain. Add half teaspoon of garam masala powder. So we are not adding red chili powder. We are replacing the red chili powder with garam masala powder. Mix the dry ingredients nicely. Add some hing or asafoetida to give a nice flavor to the vadas. Now start adding the water and make the batter. Make sure that there are no lumps formed while you are making the batter. Adding the rice flour in the vada pav is very important because when we eat the vada pav, the vada should be crispy. Rice flour actually gives the nice crisp to the vadas. Don't add too much of water. So we need to have a thick batter for the vadas. You can see that this should be the consistency of the batter for vadas. Now keep aside this batter for 15 to 20 minutes so that the batter is set properly, and then after that we will make the vadas. Let's make the ball for the vadas till the batter is resting. Now the masala is cooled down, so we can make the balls for the vadas. Take a small portion of the masala and just make it into a bowl and just give it a press. So we have to make the balls in this shape. So this is how we have to make the balls for the vadas. We can also use a trick to make the balls. You can use the measuring cup like this to make the balls. Just take a small portion of the masala, put it into the measuring cup, press it a little bit. You can see that how easy it is when you use the measuring cup. So in this way we can make sure that we are making the balls of the same size. So similarly we can make all the balls from the masala. Before we make the vadas, we need to heat the oil in a pan to deep fry the vadas. Make sure that the oil is hot enough so that the vadas comes out well, and we are keeping the flame at medium while cooking the vadas. Now the batter is rested for 15 minutes. Add half teaspoon of baking soda into the batter. Adding the baking soda gives a nice crunch and fluffiness to the vadas. If you are looking for authentic Mumbai style vadas, then we need to add the baking soda, because on the street side they always add the baking soda. But when you are cooking at home, it's your choice. You can add or avoid the baking soda. Just mix it nicely after adding the baking soda so that it is nicely mixed with the batter. Mix it for 2 minutes at least after adding the baking soda. Now the batter is ready. Now add the balls of the vadas that we prepared. Cover the ball with the batter nicely. Keep the flame on medium high while frying the vadas. Give it a flip so that the other side is also nicely cooked. Now you can see that the vadas are nicely golden brown in color. So now we can take them out. Strain the oil with the strainer. Take it on a paper towel. For serving the vadas, we are also going to serve with some green chilies which are dipped in the vada batter. It really gives a nice taste while we eat the vadas. Just dip the green chilies into the batter. Now add the green chilies one by one. We can also deep fry some green chilies. The green chilies will be fried very fast. Take them out once they are fried. Now besan ki mirchi is also ready. Let's take it out. For making the vada pav, cut the pav using the knife from the middle. Now heat a griddle or tawa and apply some butter. If you want, you can also eat the vada pav without cooking the pav on the tawa, but we like to roast our pav on the tawa. It gives really a nice crunch and taste to the vada pav. Roast it on a medium flame. Apply some butter on both the sides. So now the pav is nicely roasted on the griddle. Now take some green coriander garlic chutney and apply it on the inside on both the sides. The recipe for coriander garlic chutney you can find in my other video. And take some red chili garlic chutney. So this is a dry chutney. The recipe for this chutney you can find in my other video. Now take the vada we prepared, put it in the pav and serve it like this. So similarly we can prepare the other pavs too. You can apply the chutney as per your choice. You can also use sweet tamarind chutney if you like the sweetness in the vada pav. But we don't want sweetness in the vada pav. That's why we are not adding the sweet tamarind chutney. So our vada pav is ready and we can serve it now. So friends, we have served the vada pav with besan ki mirchi and some green chilies that we have deep fried. And this vada pav really gives the authentic Mumbai taste at the comfort of our home. So just try this recipe at your home and enjoy it with your family and friends. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to our channel for latest updates and more recipes. And don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you so much for watching.